Everyone, Dinjan.
I'm coming to Fuza Media Officer like Kaya. So we are doing short interviews with Zunjan Jongo like Kaya pageant and talent show. Calling out when you put Zunjan Jongo.
This is alright. I mean, it's fun. You know, the contestants showed their talent. They were engaging, and it was cool, man. I think this is gonna be a very good pageant, yeah.
So far, what is this? Also, we know
yo angazi siyazi ngicela ngibona wonke ama option then decide yebo.
But upheza lo muntu lokula.
Yebo uLindo.
Yeah, yes. Siyabonga kakhulu ukufikela ukuthi support le.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngizoma sawona ukuthi.
Yebo.
Namahloni.
No. I'm okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm okay. I'm excited for the main thing because the contestant was so fun and so great. So yeah, I'm just excited for the entire thing. Yeah, Lindo.
Oh, this game's on Lindo then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Support Nyana.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice. So when you want to also win? That's
what talent show.
Yeah.
The talent show.
Come on, talent show.
It has to be the Pansula Kai. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yeah, that's
you came to this first name.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello. Musu ngiyizini sengila. Unjani? Ngiyaphila. Sisunjani njengobula namhlanje?
Ngijabulile
Ngiyabona isimali siyasho ukuthi siyahappena. So wena uzowina.
obviously talent show number 4.
Number 4 lokugcina. Nawu uSiphanzuli. Yeah, halala.
Sowethu phela so.
Lalela. Support. Siyabonga kakhulu usifikile ekhaya. Futhi ngiyakubona ugqokile lana. Ithini? Ugqokile ngiyakuyi. Hey ninzima bo. Iwat Mr. What? Hamba kanjani bese right?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Wamuhle.
Ngiyabonga
awuchaza ukuthi uwinephi kwenzakaleni?
It was a pageant back at home.
Oh yes now. So that's why now ulanda sabazo umuntu ungane wakho ukuthi ya.
So babona.
Yabona because Valentine isegazini lethu. Ihamba la. Sambeni. Ukuzwa kanjani njengobuya namhlanje?
Ngijabulile kakhulu shame, not gonna lie.
Sabona kusifile. Kasibona bazowina makuba.
With talent show.
Ngibuza ngapageant vele ngiyazi ukuthi
pageant. Ish angakababoni bonke kodwa of course phela umuntu engimvela uzowina yabo. Of course.
Talent show kwamanje.
Talent show number 4, number 3.
Now uSiphanzuli. Niyasithanda iSiphanzuli ya. Siyabonga kakhulu for support and thank you so much.